Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can allow quick access on X browser. So let's get started. Firstly, open X browser in your device. Then tap on three lines icon. Next tap on settings icon. Then you can see the option of user center. Tap on it. After that, you can see the option of quick access. Turn on it by tapping on it. So this is how you can allow quick access on X browser. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.